Hi everyone, my name is Amanda Villa and I am the Tucson Regional Lead with LUCHA, which stands for Living United for Change in Arizona. I'm here today to talk to you about the AHCA, or the American Health Care Act. This bill is currently been passed in the House and is being moved to a vote within the next week to the Senate. It's not being covered a lot in the media, so there are some things that you need to know about this bill and how it affects you and your family and our communities moving forward. So currently, Mitch McConnell, who's the leader of the Senate, is working to push this bill to a vote within the next week. The Republican Party is using this bill as an introduction to healthcare, and they're going to use this as their basis for pushing the Senate to a vote, but plan to last minute introduce a secret bill that they're working on behind closed doors. Currently, we don't have a lot of information about the secret bill that they're working on, but we do know that they plan to push it to a vote at the last minute so that all Democrats and Republicans have very little time to research it before they have to vote on it. So the important things you need to know about the AHCA, which is going to directly affect us, are that this is a plan to repeal the ACA, the Affordable Care Act, also known as Obamacare. This bill will effectively take insurance away from 23 million Americans, and this also allows insurance companies to charge people more for pre-existing conditions and older people more. So for example, if you're pregnant or you have a mental illness or you're a victim of domestic violence or rape, our insurance companies can charge you more to treat anything that results in those issues. This also will end Medicaid as we know it. So for folks in Arizona, if you are on AHCA, that means you are covered by Medicaid. In the state of Arizona alone, 465,000 people stand to lose their health care coverage under the Medicaid that currently exists. Lastly, this bill will allow insurance companies to opt out of essential health care benefits like no-cost contraception, pre-cancer screenings, and also prenatal and maternity coverage for pregnant women. So for me personally, I definitely feel attacked. I rely on a seasonal birth control or a seasonal contraceptive to treat my ovarian cysts and keep me pain-free and keep my reproductive system functioning as normal as possible. So this bill threatens me because I would then have to pay for my contraception out of pocket, which can be very, very expensive, and I wouldn't be able to afford it. So I would be in pain constantly should this bill pass and I cannot have access to no-cost contraception. So if you or someone you know is also going to be affected by this bill, we are urging folks to call today, tomorrow, and through all of next week. Call our senators in Washington. You can reach Senator Jeff Flake at any one of his 3 offices. There is a Tucson, Phoenix, and Washington, D.C. number here. I recommend that you call all 3 offices if possible to make sure that your voice is heard. And you can also call Senator John McCain at any one of his 3 offices in either Tucson, Phoenix, or Washington, D.C. We need to let our elected officials know that this bill does not serve the people of the United States of America or our communities, and it would be detrimental to the health of all of us. Thank you.